This is a Ho'oponopono meditation to manifest a job. So if you are looking for a job, any job, if you're just wanting to make money, if you've been jobless for a while, this video is for you. So you can start attracting a job, not just any job, but like a good job, a job that is gonna make you feel safe and secure. It's gonna allow you to start living a life that you want with the material things that you want and need. So let's get started. Close your beautiful eyes and then exhale. One more time. Inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. One last time. Inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. Now visualize this green beam of light that's coming from above. It's entering the crown of your head, washing down your face. This green beam of light that is ready to give you the abundance, the job, the money, the opportunities, the clients that you've been wanting for the longest time. This white beam of light is washing down your neck, your chest, your stomach, your hips, your thighs, your knees, your calves, your feet, and then it goes down into the core of the earth, grounding you. Now you're ready to release all those things that don't serve you anymore, so you can open up to opportunities, to a job, to clients, to money, and abundance. Through this green channel of light, visualize all the fears that are keeping you stuck. Starting from your heart, imagine this feeling of there's not enough jobs anymore. All the jobs are taken. Disbelief, see it, feel it, and send it up through this green beam of light up into the universe, out of your body, into the universe forever. Imagine all these beliefs. The next belief: I don't know enough. No one is hiring me because I don't know enough, because I'm underqualified, because I don't have the skills that the company needs. They're gonna hire someone, they're gonna wait, even if they haven't found someone, they're gonna wait to hire someone better than just hire me instead. So we release it up into this green channel of light, so it can be taken up into the universe. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, but we let you go now. Another belief that I'm feeling that is keeping us stuck in scarcity and poverty is everyone is jobless. So of course I'm also jobless. We send it up into the universe. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, but we choose to let you go now. Another belief is, what if I hate the job? What if I don't like it? What if I hate it? What if I hate it? What if I'm miserable in the job and I don't like it? We send it up through this channel of light, up into the universe, out of our system, out of our stomach, fully, totally, and completely, out of our cells, and up into the universe. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, but we choose to let you go now. Another belief is that no one is gonna pay me to be me. No one will ever pay me to be me. I have to change. I have to change to get paid. Okay, I feel it in the stomach, in the sacral, in the heart. So we send it up into universal light, tunnel of light, and up it goes. Thank you, we love you, we honor you, but we choose to let you go now. We release these emotions of fear, that we're gonna be homeless, that we're gonna lose it all, that we're gonna lose our home, that we're gonna live in the streets and we're gonna die of hunger, we're gonna die of starvation, we're gonna die of bacteria, of health issues, and not having enough. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, but now we choose to let you go up through this tunnel of healing light into the universe. Thank you, we love you. Now we let go that a job means being a slave. Having a job means being a slave to someone else, being told what to do, hating what we do. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, but now we choose to let you go now, fully and completely. Thank you, we love you. Another energy that we choose to let go to attract our job, dream job, or any kind of job aligned with us, with our values, with who we are, is it's hard to find a job. This belief that it's hard, that it's very, very hard. It does exist, it's just very hard, and we're probably gonna never find it because it's probably somewhere in another state, in another country, in another language, and it's never gonna get to us. Thank you, we love you, we honored you. While we choose to let you go now, up through the channel of light into the universe. Thank you. Okay, now we're ready to receive the good frequencies, the good emotions, the good beliefs, so we can be a portal, a channel, a frequency to receive our job, the income, the clients, the money now. So through this channel of light from the universe, we put into our bodies, into our hearts, this belief that manifesting our dream job is easy. Manifesting and having our job that we love and enjoy is easy. The job that we want is easy to find. The job that we want is looking for us. The job that we want has found us now. We have our dream job now. It was easy. It was easy. It was so easy. It was so fast and easy. Thank you. We love you. We honor you, and we invite you into our bodies now. The next emotion and belief that we invite into our bodies through this channel of light is that everyone wants our gifts and talents, and everyone wants to pay for our gifts and talents. There's an abundance of demand. My skills and talents, in essence, is in demand, and people will pay lots of money for me to share my gifts and talents. My gifts and talents are in demand, and they'll pay me now. What I have is what the world needs and wants. What I have now is what the world needs and wants. Thank you, we love you, we honored you, and we invite you to live in our bodies now. We'll also bring into our bodies confidence, security, safety, satisfaction, relaxation, freedom, abundance, winning, success, letting go, surrender, being visible to only the right opportunities, to only the jobs that we love and that love us, to the money that we love and love us, to the clients that we love and love us. And there's an abundance of them. There's a big abundance of them, and they see me and they come to me. They see me and they connect with me. They see me and they hire me. They see me and they pay me. Thank you, and so it is. Oof, how was that? Write down in the comments how you felt, your experience, and any other manifestations that come in the way for you in regards to your dream job, dream opportunities. Do this meditation over and over again to keep cleaning your energy, to keep releasing those money blocks, to keep releasing those negative beliefs and blockages, and to bring in the positive frequencies, the positive emotions, and the positive beliefs that are going to sooner or later manifest this job that is really right in front of you. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next meditation.